Good more earnings to all the members of the Prive Philippines family. Welcome to another session of BOP 101. My name is Third and I welcome you to our Prive Philippines headquarters. Sa mga nandito po sa ating opisina, magandang hapon po. Sa mga nanonood sa ating Facebook Live, magandang araw po sa inyo kung saan mang lupalop kayo ng mundo. Welcome to another session of BOP 101. 101 siya kasi basic lang po ang i-discuss natin sa inyo. And I'm going to discuss the BOP in two parts. We have the product presentation and we also have the marketing plan. Alright, for those people who want to get a copy of this presentation, just message us on Facebook para isend po namin sa inyo ang file na ito. Alright, we'll start with the product presentation with the disclaimer that iTerracare products are not medical devices. Household hot air blower lang po tayo and it's not really designed na medical device. What it only does are two things. Number one, it helps improve blood flow. Second, it rejuvenates cells. Kaya, the idea wherein our body gets to heal on its own comes into place. Now, there's a secret to positively taking care of your body that no one is talking about. Kasi ang alam lang ng nakararami, properly taking care of our body involves having enough sleep, eating the right kind of food and the right amount of food, exercising, taking food supplements. At meron pang isa na konti lang sa atin ang nakakaalam. And we are going to find that out later on as we progress this discussion. According to Bruce Lipton, every cell in your body is a battery. Kasi katulad daw ng mga electronic devices, ang ating katawan na merong cells, kailangan ding i-recharge. Dahil kung hindi, kapag lupaypay na tayo, hindi tayo nakakapag-isip ng tama, hindi tayo nakakapag-perform ng tama. Ang term sa atin, low-bat. At kapag low-bat na, anong ginagawa? I-recharge. Kaya, di ba yung mga cellphone, kapag low-bat, hindi nakagamit yung camera, hindi nakaka-connect sa data. Ganon din ang ating katawan. Kaya kailangan nating mag-recharge para makapag-perform tayo optimally. Dahil ang ating cells are also composed of energy. At kapag may energy, may waves na involved. At kapag may waves, may frequency. At kapag anong frequency ang meron ang cells natin, aalamin natin yan later on. Now, according to Hippocrates, the natural forces within us are the true healers of disease. Nasa loob daw ng ating katawan ang totoong nakakapaggamot ng mga karamdaman. Nasa loob, hindi nasa labas. Ano ibig sabihin nito? Di ba nung mga bata pa tayo, it's easier for us to cope with whatever disease that we have. Kapag nagkakasakit or nagkakalagnat ang bata, it would only take a day or two. Okay na. Kapag natatapilok ang bata, napipilayan, ang bilis lang gumaling, nakakapaglaro uli. Kapag nasusugatan, it would only take days and then hihilom na kagad ang sugat. Pero habang tumatanda tayo, yung self-healing mechanism ng katawan natin bumababa. Diba? Yung may mga diabetes, it would take them weeks bago maghilom ang sugat. Yung mga natapilok lang, ang tagal gumaling, pumupunta pa ng doktor, umiinom pa ng gamot, etc. So, kailangan nating bumalik sa ating pagiging bata para ang self-healing mechanism ng ating katawan bumalik din katulad ng bata tayo. Paano natin gagawin yan? Now, talking about being kids, di ba? Kwento sa atin ng mga lolo't lola natin, even in history books or even in the Bible, noong unang panahon, pinanganak ang tao, tumanda ng more than 100 years, and then namatay. Walang mga kwento sila dati na may nagkaka-cancer, may nagka-stroke, or nagka-hypertension. Pero ngayon, bago tayo mamatay, kailangan muna nating magkasakit. Di ba? And it's even normal for us kasi tinatanggap na natin at tinatanong sa kung sino mang namatayan, ang unang tanong natin, anong sakit? Di ba? Hindi naman tayo nagtatanong ano ang impact ng taong yun sa buhay natin. Sakit kaagad. So, medyo masakit siya na katanungan kasi tinatanggap na natin na bago tayo mamatay, kailangan mo nating magka-cancer or kailangan mo nating magka-stroke or kung anumang karamdaman yan. When in fact, we can just go back to the ancient times when we don't need to get sick, di ba? Ngayon nga ang gobyerno nagbabayad pa ng 100,000 kapag aabot ka ng 100 years kasi konti na lang umaabot sa edad na yan dahil sa karamdaman. Now, going back to Hippocrates, marami siyang quotations about this because he's the ancient father of medicine. In fact, yung mga doktor, they take the Hippocratic oath because he is the ancient father of medicine. He said that if there's a way to heat the bones, then all diseases can be treated. I think, and I'm sure he's not referring to the literal heat here. Kasi kung totoo man tong literal na heat, kung tadagos man sa ating buto ang heat na ito, lapnos na ang ating balat, sobrang lambot na ng ating kalamnan. So para na tayong bulalo nito, pero hindi tayo gagaling, lutong-luto na tayo. So what is he referring to when he talked about heating the bones? Aalamin natin yan. Now, we'll go to what Albert Einstein said. Sino hindi nakakakilala sa kanya, di ba? Even the kids nowadays know him. He said that the future medicine will be the medicine of frequencies. Itong sinasabi ni Einstein, sa panahon na to, future ang sinasabi niya. Pero ang present medicine, it involves frequencies, di ba? We have X-ray, we have MRI, we have ultrasound, we even have cancer radiation therapy, and those kinds of treatments, those kinds of procedure involve waves wherein frequency is one of its properties. So itong sinasabi ni Einstein, this is already the present medicine. Di ba? Ito pa, sinabi sa article na ito sa Mansfield, Ohio, that you'll be able to carry phone in pocket in future. It was published in 1963. Noong panahon na imposible pa ang malaki at mabigat na phone na diikot na ipapasok sa ating bulsa. Pero look what's happening now. We can even fit more than one phone inside our pockets, di ba? So itong article na to nagkatotoo. Yung sinabi ni Einstein nagkatotoo. It is because, number one, technology is evolving. And number two, technology can really be predicted. So nangyari yung sinabi ni Einstein at yung sinabi ni Hippocrates about heating the bones, nangyayari na. Because earlier in 2000, terahertz frequency has been proven to be beneficial to our body. And terahertz frequency has the capability to penetrate deep into our bones. So itong sinasabi ni Hippocrates, it's not really literal heat, but the waves itself that will penetrate deep into our bones. We introduce our product, iTeracare. It's the world's most powerful terahertz frequency therapy device today. Ito yung tatlong flagship products natin, and iTeracare is a revolutionary product that will enhance our health. What does iTeracare do? Dalawang bagay lang po ang ginagawa natin. Hindi po tayo nagpapagaling ng sakit. It only does two things. Number one, it improves the blood flow, and number two, it renews body cells. Kapag blood flow kasi yung pinag-uusapan, kasama na doon yung mga blockages na natatanggal. So with terahertz exposure, mapuproduce siya ng thermal effects sa ating katawan. At dahil merong thermal effects, umiinit. At alam nyo ba ang nangyayari kapag yung isang bagay, especially solid, is being exposed to heat? Nag-e-expand siya. Yung mga blood vessels natin nag-e-expand, therefore lumalaki ang butas. Kapag lumalaki ang butas, mas maganda ang daloy ng dugo. Therefore, circulation is improved. Ano ang process ng circulation? From our heart, the blood is pumped towards our lungs. Our lungs supply oxygen to our blood. Ibabalik niya sa ating heart. This time, our heart pumps the oxygenated blood to each of our organs. So our organs then is properly supplied with oxygenated blood. Therefore, they perform optimally and the cells also reproduce faster. Also, with resonance, good but dormant cells are being activated and eliminating the bad ones. Ano ang technology na involved sa iTeracare? Tatlong bagay po. We have the quantum, optical quartz, and the terahertz. Quantum energy, as what we can remember in quantum physics in high school, merong experiment doon wherein a light is to be observed by the one who's doing the experiment. Kapag ino-observe siya, nagiging energy. Kapag hindi siya ini-observe, particle lang siya. So, ibig sabihin nun, it actually concretizes the line, whatever your mind can conceive, your body can achieve. Kasi mangyayari siya kapag iisipin mo na mangyayari siya. Therefore, with quantum energy, with iTeracare, if you would really believe na gagaling ang katawan mo sa sarili niyang kapasidad, mangyayari yan. Yan. Isa pa, with scalar energy, they come from volcanic sources. And we know, early in the 2000 as well, yung mga scalar pendant na sumikat, they come from volcanic sources. And they have proven to give positive results to our body. Paano natin masasabi yan? Di ba? Even those plants, animals, and people who live near the volcanoes, they are way healthier than those people who live away from those areas. It is because of the scalar energy. Pangalawa, optical quartz. Ito, medyo familiar to if you're a frequent visitor of spa because optical quartz strengthens auric fields in our body. It also mimics 1/40 of the sun's energy. So, di ba, mga baby, pinapaarawan natin. Even those who just got from the hospital, pinapaarawan. Because the sun's energy is really beneficial to our body. So, with iTeracare, hindi na kailangang magpaaraw at expose ang ating katawan with the UV rays. Next one, if you are using an automatic watch, makikita nyo doon nakalagay quartz. It is because those watches have quartz crystal. As an electronics engineer, nung inintroduce sa akin itong product na to, naintindihan ko immediately ang technology. Kasi part yun sa pinag-aaralan namin. Quartz crystal actually in watches and any electronic devices, they keep the vibration constant. Kaya kahit walang battery, umiikot pa din ang ating relo. Diba? Dito sa iTeracare, yung quartz crystal, yung tube niya, what it does is it amplifies the frequency from the base. So from the base, pagdaan niya sa ating quartz crystal, paglabas niya, ito na yung third technology, terahertz frequency. Now, ito yung reason bakit medyo may kamahalan ng ating device. Bakit? Quartz crystal doesn't come cheap. Yung mga nakikita natin sa mga online shopping platforms na 1,000, 2,000 pesos lang, kabahan tayo doon because they could be using either glass or plastic lang na hindi capable na mag-amplify ng frequency. So, ang lumalabas lang doon could either be radio frequency lang na hindi nakakatulong sa ating katawan. Therefore, you're just blowing parang hair blower lang sa katawan nyo, exposing yourself to radiation. Okay, so paglabas niya, terahertz frequency. Terahertz frequency is the same frequency as our cells. Dahil doon, merong resonance na magaganap. Anong ibig sabihin ng resonance? It is when two materials or two bodies have the same energy and they get to communicate with each other. Example, two-way radios, yung mga walkie-talkie. Diba? Nakakapag-usap lang tayo sa kabilang area ng barangay kapag same kayo ng frequency. Kung hindi, hindi kayo makakapag-usap. Therefore, without any contact, nakakapag-usap kayo kahit malayo kayo. Ganon din ang nangyayari sa iTeracare. Diba? Hindi siya ini-inject, hindi natin siya iniinom, hindi natin siya, hindi na tayo kailangang operahan or pinapahid. Yet, kahit 20 to 30 centimeters away lang, may reaction ng ating katawan. It is because of resonance. So, these are the 3-in-1 core technology of iTeracare. iTeracare wasn't introduced to the market right away. Nag-undergo tayo ng 6 years of research and development. Ang 3-in-1 core technology na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina is something that is unique and cannot be found in any device nowadays. Yung product design natin is patented. Nabili po ang patent na ito, ang produkto na ito ng Prive from the inventor himself in Deschang. Okay? So, only Prive is the sole distributor of iTeracare products. Therefore, ang mga members lang po ni PRIVE ang pwedeng magbenta nito. If you are not a member of PRIVE, then you don't have the right to distribute and sell the product. Nag-undergo din po tayo ng safety inspection, quality inspection, accuracy test, and later on, ipapakita natin yung radiation test na ginawa natin. Meron din tayong clinical test report by the Peking Institute of Science. So, hindi lang siya lab test, but it's also a clinical test, meaning sa tao siya tinay, hindi siya sa hayop or sa halaman lang. Ito yung radiation test na sinasabi ko. Itong EMF tester, tinesto sa isang induction cooker. At nakita natin na more than 1,000 units of radiation was detected from it. Pero, nung binuga ang iTeracare directly sa device, 0 po na radiation units ang nakita. Ibig sabihin nun, safe siyang gamitin sa ating katawan. That is why we have this test report, yung radiation test report. Binigyan din tayo ng Certificate of Conformity ng CE and Compliance Information Statement from FCC, making us legal to be distributed around Europe and the US respectively. So hindi tayo mahihiyang magbenta ng ating produkto sa mga areas na yon because we know na napaka-taas ng standards nila when it comes to product special electronics. Dahil sa seals na ito, proud tayo na i-distribute at ibenta ang product natin. Well, I have shown you the abstract concept ng iTeracare. At para mas maintindihan natin ang epekto nito sa ating katawan, we can concretize it via stories. Because according to the line, ideas sell but stories sell. Kasi sila yung magpapatunay na totoo talaga. So we will be giving you some testimonies. Yung mga testimony na ito, if you have research about iTeracare, siguro may makikita kayong malalaking karamdaman na, sobrang lubha na, pero yung mga pinili lang po natin, something that everyone can relate with. Pwede nating sabihin, meron ako niyan, or meron akong kakilalang meron niyan ng pwedeng makatulong. So, ito po yung mga testimonies na pinili namin. We can start with this one. Yung may rheumatism and arthritis. Okay, sino dito ang meron nito? Yung may rheumatism and arthritis, ito si nanay, naging baby na siya uli kasi marunong siyang mag-close open. Diba? After 15 minutes of using the product, na-flexan niya ang kanyang kamay. Personally kasi, I used to have gout arthritis. So maraming pinagbabawal kasi kung kakain ako the following day, mahihirapan akong maglakad. I started using iTeracare in February. In March, nakauwi ako sa amin. April, nag-Holy Week. Pinakain ako ng mama ko ng munggo. The following day, the next days after, walang nangyayaring pamamaga. Why is it so? It is because, number one, nag-improve na aking blood circulation. Yung toxins ng aking katawan, especially uric acid, na-flush out na. And then also, the good cells were also renewed. Kaya nga, kahit anong kainin ko hanggang ngayon, wala nang pananakit, wala nang pamamaga because of the use of iTeracare. Ito naman, second, thyroid nodules and frozen shoulders.
Ilang beses mo ginamit, sir, yung iTeracare?
I use it at least once a day for 32 minutes to an hour. Yes. Ito naman, may thyroid nodules and frozen shoulders. Ito, si ate, meron siyang bukol sa leeg. Anong ibig sabihin kapag may bukol ka? Number one, may toxin na na-stuck sa area na yun. And number two, dumadami na ang mga bad cells. Again, what does iTeracare do? It improves blood flow, eliminating those toxins. And it renews good cells, eliminating the bad ones. Kaya after 10 therapies, unti-unting lumiit ang buko sa kanyang leeg. We have some stories as well here dito sa PRIVE na nagpunta due for operation na. And then, she gave it a try for a month. Pagbalik niya sa doktor, lumiit ng half the size nung kanyang buko. So, nagulat ang doktor, hindi na natuloy ang operasyon. At ngayon, wala na talaga yung buko. So, of course, she also has to take some medicines because, again, iTeracare is not a medical device. We still have to consult our doctors for any other medical advice. Ito naman, si Mike, meron siyang frozen shoulders because of his diabetes and heart problems. So, after 15 minutes of using the product, naiangat na niya ang kanyang shoulder by 80%. So, yung mga masasakit na kasukasuan dyan or may mga spasms, you can give it a try kasi nga, it improves blood flow and it renews cells. So, nare-relax din ang ating mga muscles. Alright, next one. Ito, gustong-gusto to na nakararami. It helps in losing weight. Kasi nga, with the heat that is being emitted by the device, syempre, yung mga cellulites ng ating katawan, unti-unti niya natutunaw. One of the effects also of iTeracare is that since it removes those toxins, kasama na doon yung mga waste sa ating tiyan na hindi natin nailalabas. So, for the first-time users, for the first week, poop kayo ng poop kasi nilalabas niya ang hindi kailangan ma-stock sa ating katawan. At syempre, dahil nawala na yung mga kinakaya natin dun sa loob ng ating tiyan, lumiliit din ang ating tiyan. One of its effects also is that it regulates our sleep. So when you have a good quality of sleep, of course, yung metabolism improves. Therefore, yung pag-gain ng weight, bumababa din. Next one. It helps relieve skin disease. So ito makikita natin dito, may psoriasis, may vitiligo, may eczema. After continuous usage for how many months, bumabalik na sa original condition ang kanilang balat. Again, dahil ang second effect ng iTeracare, it rejuvenates cells. So bumabalik sa original skin condition. Even yung vitiligo na sinasabi ng mga doktor na hindi nagagaling, bumabalik ang kanyang original skin pigmentation. For some cases, kapag buhay pa ang hair follicles, tumutubo pa ang buhok. Kapag buhay pa, pero kapag wala na, patay na ang hair follicles, wala na pong pag-asa. Next one, ito, gustong-gusto natin to. It is effective in improving skin. Of course, because nag-improve na ang ating blood circulation, makikita yon sa ating balat, di ba? Nagre-renew din ang ating cells. In fact, for those people na gumagamit ng iTeracare, ang pambungad sa kanila ng mga tao kapag nagkita sila, glowing ka ngayon, ang ganda ng balat mo ngayon. It is because, again, maganda ang tulog mo, maganda ang sirkulasyon ng iyong dugo, nawawala na ang toxin sa iyong katawan, and it could really show in your skin. How do we use iTeracare? Easy lang siya. It's as simple as 1 to 10. But before that, uminom muna tayo ng tubig, just like whenever you have physical activity or magpapamassage, uminom muna ng tubig. And it's even advisable that you charge it with iTeracare. Kasi with terahertz frequency, yung molecular structure ng water nagiging linear. And when it is linear, mas lumiliit ang molecular size, making it penetrate into our cells faster. So, nagiging properly hydrated na ang ating cells. When our cells are properly hydrated, then we can start blowing it in our palms and soles kasi nandito ang mga meridian points, nandito ang mga nerve endings connected sa ating mga organs. Di ba nga sa acupuncture or sa yung reflexology, di ba? Yun ang pinipindot-pindot kasi doon connected ang ating mga organs. So you blow it for 2 to 3 minutes on each of these body parts. Then dito na sa tuhod, sa singit, sa kilikili, sa lieg, sa batok, sa ulo at sa puwet kasi usually dito na sa stock ang mga blockages.
Pwede magtan.
Later, ma'am. Okay, kasi naka-Facebook Live po tayo. Opo. And then after that, sa likod po natin siya i-blow kasi aside from the usual back problems, nandito din sa ating spinal column ang stem cell development. So, kapag i-activate natin siya dito, mas mapapabilis ang pag-replicate ng ating stem cells. After that, you can focus on any of the parts that you have, like tiyan man or mukha or kung saan mang area gusto nyong i-focus. Remember lang, don't perform yung pag-blow sa ulo kapag may hypertension. Kasi, again, it improves blood flow, so wag nating hayaan na dumaloy ang dugo directly to our head. Just blow it around the air but not directly on the crown. After this, mga 1 hour to kapag 20 to 30 minutes ito and then you focus on some other parts. So around 1 hour, uminom uli ng charged water para ma-replenish yung mga nawalang tubig sa katawan. Kasi for sure, pinagpapawisan tayo after nito. Hindi din siya recommended sa mga babaeng buntis or may buwan ng dalaw. Don't blow it directly on the abdominal area kapag buntis ka kasi because of the heat, the baby might feel the discomfort. So baka mapaanak ka ng hindi oras. Kapag may buwan ng dalaw, then don't blow it also on the abdominal area kasi nga it improves blood flow. So baka bubulwak din ang dugo. Just blow it around the area lang but not directly. Sa mga may stent din or may implant or yung may lens, wag din po siyang i-blow directly doon. Around the area lang because, again, solids have the capability to expand when heat is applied to it. So mag-expand siya, lalaki siya, at since foreign object siya, hindi siya capable of expanding the same way as our normal or natural body parts do. So, iba yung way ng pag-expand niya. So, baka may pain or discomfort tayo na mafe-feel. So, better na blow around the area lang, not directly on that part. Huwag din po natin siya i-blow directly sa may open wounds or fractured bones kasi, again, it improves blood flow. So, baka may hemorrhaging na mangyayari. So, around the area lang muna. An hour of iTeracare therapy is equal to 10 times of acupuncture, 20 times of cupping, 30 times of guaja, and 40 times of massage. Kaya nga, after mong gumamit ng 1 oras nito, sobrang relax ka at makakatulog ka na ng mahimbing. At this point, I would like you all to think of some people you love who can benefit from iTeracare. It could be someone na yung mga magulang mo, or yung mga anak mo or mga kapatid mo, or even your friends. Think of how you can help them by introducing iTeracare to them.